All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency and Frank's Crypto Corner. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency GALA. Yeah, that's right. This cryptocurrency is up 14% in the last 24 hours. It's up 6% in the last 7 days. All kinds of good stuff. We're going to go over to the website, check out a little deep dive on their website. We're going to go check out their stores to see the different stores that they have on their website. And we're going to check out some of their games. All kinds of good stuff. They got NFTs on there they're selling. I mean, we're going to look at that. Also, crypto.com. We're going to check out crypto.com's first pictures of changing the facelift, going from red to blue. We're going to talk about that. And FTX and crypto.com is going to be spending millions of dollars on Super Bowl ads. That's coming up. So cryptocurrency in the Super Bowl, it's millions of dollars. So we're going to talk about that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own some cryptocurrency. If you want to own it without buying it, use that BlockFi credit card and get your rewards back in Bitcoin. All right, let's head over to GALA Crypto. All right, on CoinMarketCap here, GALA is the 49th cryptocurrency. It's up 15% in the last 24 hours. Traded at right around 49 cents right now. It's up about 6% in the last 7 days. Clicking it. All right, looking over to the right here, it's up 16% in the last 24 hours. Traded exactly at 50 cents. It's the 47th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap right this second. Looking in the last day, what's happened, I mean, literally this cryptocurrency has been going on an upward trend all day long. So this thing's been going up, 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 and it's going up. Looking at 7 days. In the last 7 days, it was kind of came down, but then it's a big spike here in the last few days here. All right, over here at the website, making blockchains games you actually want to play. GALA Games. Fun first. Says, we believe the blockchain should be invisible in our games. We use a simple game mechanics that all players can enjoy, whether or not they consider themselves to be on the blockchain pro. So here we go. We're lassoing in, riding the four-wheeler. Pretty neat. Second thing, it's owned by the people. Players get to truly own what they win in our games. If you earn or win a magical sword on GALA's game platform, it's yours. Your items and any inherited status is variable asset on the blockchain, and you can trade to another player or play with it in the game. Everything that you get in the game, you own it. We don't develop games in a vacuum. We constantly engage the test assumptions with the Discord community. We build alongside a vocal community and the input shapes to direct each game's design takes. So we're real involved with basically the GALA is checking out the community. What are they looking for? You know, powered by the people. Everything within the GALA Games network depends on the player's own node ecosystem. The GALA network is supported by users just like you, who operate GALA nodes from their home computer. Get yours today. This is what they're talking about. More than 16,000 players / run nodes powered by the ecosystem. So there's literally 16,000 players that run nodes and power our ecosystem. Oh boy. So far GALA is looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and jump over to crypto.com. The new pictures, and it's going from red to blue. What's going on in the LA Staples Center? Oh, it's not the Staples Center. What's going on in crypto.com over there in LA? First photos of crypto.com arena signage revealed. Staples Center is almost fully converted to crypto.com arena. In roughly 5 days, the Staples Center will be no more. The first signs of the crypto.com arena are officially started to replace the old Staples Center signage. It's official. Take a look. Crypto.com. Yeah, I mean, LeBron James and all the Lakers are going to be celebrating here at Crypto.com. The iconic, gigantic Staples Center lettering in front of the arena has now been replaced with the big blue Crypto.com banner. Not only that, but in the backstage tunnel area, all Staples Center logos are now gone too. The home of LeBron James and the Lakers, that's right, LeBron is in the Staples, not the Staples Center, he's in Crypto.com arena. So what do you think? Do you think everybody that goes to the Staples Center right now knows about cryptocurrency? Probably not. But when they're sitting in Crypto.com, they're going to look at their brother and they're going to look at their uncle and be like, what's this Crypto.com? And then you know what they're going to say? Well, go on your phone, son. Put Crypto.com in there. And everybody in the stadium or the arena is going to put Crypto.com in there. And more people are going to be into cryptocurrency. and they did a 10-year deal. So the Staples Center, no more. Crypto.com for 10 years. All right, it's getting better and better with this cryptocurrency. Throughout the arena, there are little touches to move forward. The changes from the staple to crypto. The IO signage have been updated from red to blue as well. So yeah, everything is gone from red to blue. It seems like the common theme for the new Crypto.com arena is the color blue. The iconic Staples Center was red, and something you can expect is gone in the very near future. All right, let's check this next one out. Crypto.com, FTX to shout millions for Super Bowl ads. The cryptocurrency exchanges are capitalizing on the popularity of digital currency while attempting to separate themselves from the pack. Cryptocurrencies exchanges are officially aiming for mainstream, with Crypto.com and FTX both planning to run ads during the Super Bowl, the most watched annual television event in the country. A Singapore-based Crypto.com is especially active in getting the name out there. The company purchased exclusive naming rights and formerly known as the Staples Center for $700 million over 20 years. I thought it was 10 years. Okay, it's over 20 years. Super Bowl advertisements are most expensive in the world, with the price of 30-second commercial averaging about $5.5 million a year. There's a lot of people saying crypto is a fad, just the way they said the internet was going to be a fad. Well, the internet is still here. Crypto.com chief marketing officer told the Journal, crypto is really the basis of the next version of the internet. Earlier this year, FTX paid $135 million for a 19-year contract for the naming rights for the NBA Miami Heat's arena in South Beach. Oh gosh, FTX is getting a stadium too. In September, FTX announced it secured the NFL star Tom Brady and his model wife star in a $20 million ad campaign. Competition with crypto exchanges market is also driving the increase in advertisement, with more than 500 crypto exchanges jockeying for recognition. So there you go, Crypto.com and FTX shells out millions for ads. So Crypto.com, FTX, Tom Brady, all kinds of good stuff going on with cryptocurrency. Well, we're going to head back over to GALA. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're trying to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. FTX and Crypto.com, they're trying to do it too. They're going to be spending all kinds of millions of dollars on Super Bowl ads so everybody knows about them. Let's head over to GALA for a little price prediction. All right, over here at GALA, again, this token is being traded at 50 cents right now. It looks like a month ago, it was at 71 cents, 71 cents, 46 cents. It's at 50 cents right now. So what's our price prediction? GALA's definitely pumping pretty good, 50 cents. I think it could get to 60 cents by the end of the next 90 days, the next quarter. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. That'll be about a 20% uptick. But GALA's definitely doing real good. Take a look at all the red here. AAVE is up 44% in the last 7 days, but it's up 23% in the last 24 hours. GALA's up again 15% in the last 24 hours. The Graft is up 7% in the last 24 hours. Phantom's up 17% in the last 24 hours and 29% in the last 7 days. Internet Computer's up 17%. And FTX over here is up 12%. All right. So GALA, definitely a lot of good things going on with the games. Checking everything out there. Oh, I want to show you something. Over here at the games, they got the Walking Dead Empire. They got a few of them here. Looking at this last expedition. Visit the store. They actually got a video here. So again, right here on GALA's website, you can kind of check out the games. You can kind of visit it, which is real good. I thought that was real neat. And also on stores, if you check out the stores here, you can kind of see what you can actually buy here. So like this Aurora Edge, GALA has the price, so you can actually switch it over here to Ethereum, and it's 292 Ethereum, and that's pretty pricey right there. So again, you can kind of look at the store. Oh, the boat's sold out. It's 14,000. How many Ethereums was it? Oh, 1.8 Ethereum. So about almost 8,000 for that, but it's sold out. Looking at this real quick, look at this enterprise deed. All right, enterprise deed here, circling around. Let's go ahead and hit how many Ethereums. 1.6 Ethereum. So, okay, if you want an enterprise deed here, there's 1,500 of them. This is number 5. So, yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you that a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Share this with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we do videos at noon, bonus videos at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day today.